Hey, Michael, I'm up here doing a post-market video for today, Friday, Good Friday. Every Friday is a Good Friday, April 14th. Um, do a video today. This might be the last video for me for the weekend. Traveling tomorrow with the kiddos soccer. She plays Saturday and Sunday in a tournament a couple hours away from home. So be on the road. So just relax time, enjoy the time away from the screen, enjoy my kid, take a break. Been working hard in job, been working out hard in the market, and been working hard bringing this good content to you guys. Um, awesome day today. Had 13 fills in Tasty Trade, 11 fills in TD Ameritrade for a total of 24 trades. My my account in Tasty Trade, I was flat on the day, no profit. In TD Ameritrade, up 2.33%. So again, destroyed the averages and had an outstanding week. Super proud of the performance in the portfolio. Let's go over the futures and then the trades I did, and see if there was any important news, which I didn't really see much except the bank earnings today. The Dixie was up 55 to 101.56. 10-year interest rates rose to 3.51. Foreign currencies all pretty much down because the dollar was up. Hogs up a quarter and cattle down almost a buck. Uh, Not that it's a big trading vehicle for me, but I like to look at them. Um, I have some Tyson food, and I was actually an underperformer today, down 87 cents on the day. Small caps down 13 to end the week. Well, the futures close in half an hour, and then they open back up Sunday at 6 p.m. for you future folks that may not know. 1795 on the small caps. Bitcoin pretty flat, amazingly, 30,500 more or less. Oil up 52 cents. It was hot. It was up almost a buck. End of the day, I think at 82.68, but I think it was almost a buck. S&P, wow, managed to finish almost flat, and we were down about, I want to say 30. Ether up 85. Good performance by the Ether in the last couple of days. Nice rally in the Ether. Uh, Gold got smacked. I would be a buyer. I think 2000 might be support. We'll see. Um, I have some trades in there and didn't do much in there today. Copper over 411. Nasdaq finished unchanged almost. Dow Jones down 122. So markets came back at the end of the day. Oh, look at good old natural gas up. Ooh, lightning. Uh, we got a little storm coming in. I don't know if you can hear the thunder. Here on one camera, you can see it, but it's right over our head. I want to go cycle, but gotta wait for the clouds to go over us. Then I get some cycling. Oh, there it is. Got an alert. Got an alert, man. It's just raining a lot here. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Severe. Oh, yeah. Severe thunderstorm. Look at that. Look at that. 2.35 today. Super happy camper, man. The trading's working well. I hope some of you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, trade at your own risk. Anyways, UNG, I think UNG had a nice day today. I've just been adding UNG on every dip. Okay, I think it's very undervalued. I'm up to 140 shares. My average is 746, up 38 bucks on a day. I trade small. That's me, singles and doubles. I've learned. My ego has taught me. Silver down 43 cents. Uh, Corn and wheat, nice days. Soybeans flat. There's really not a lot of IB in there. I've been trying to do research, but I haven't really dug deep into it. I don't really think it matters. But there was some volume in these micros. Might look at them over the weekend, study them on the break at night or whatever, and maybe put some trades in the grains. I at heart I tend to be bullish because I think commodities are in a super cycle, but that's just me. GDX down, GDXJ down, GLD down. Ether nice. I have some Ether. My Ether ETF is doing very well for me. I have 200 at 846, so I'm up 500 bucks. I haven't sold any. It doesn't have any options. No options in this product. Beetle does have options. Wow, it's bad. It's really bad. Wow, thank God I didn't go right bike. Beetle 460. I have 200 at 1582. Now Beetle does have options. Um, I don't think the options eight IV rank. Let me see. Beetle 3. So IV rank 3 low. I might sell some uh, some calls in there eventually, maybe. What else? TBT was up and TLT was down. Those are like bond ETFs. Let's see the trades in this account. Wow, big win. Here, I'm gonna turn the camera so you can see it. Look at that. That's my a palm. So that's Miami for you. It was sunny a minute ago, and all of a sudden you got thunderstorm. It's crazy. I hope you guys like this. I gotta fix my camera. Hold on. I'm sure you saw it. Let me see. Let me see if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. Look. Oh yeah, I think you saw the palm fall. It's crazy. Miami's crazy weather. At least you can get ready for a hurricane. Now the sun comes out and then you ride and it's so muggy. It's disgusting. Look at the wind gusts. Look at this. Thunderstorms in Miami. It's like every day. It's nuts. It's nuts. It's funny. I hope you got a crack out of that. Make the channel a little fun, right? Because trading is boring, lonely and boring. So in this morning's video, I closed the Nasdaq short, which was good. I closed my, well, you see, a lot of these were automated because I set them and forget them. I closed my Iron Flying Citigroup for 25%. I closed my TBT put credit spread for 50% profit. Closed my JPMorgan rolls for 50% profit. Added more XPO, but I guess I was going to try and do 2 and only did 1 share. Great. I wanted to do 10. There was only 1 share added. Good. Because I have edited to 1 share. You can change it. I closed my soybeans broken wing butterfly for another credit. I closed my short on the S&P. Wow, it's blowing. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this thing. Wow, little gusts. Those are probably, well, the weather report said 40-mile-per-hour winds. Look at that. Yeah, 40-mile-per-hour winds, more or less. Crazy. Let me see my cameras. Maybe I'll name this video "Thunderstorms in Miami." It's hard to find these YouTube names to get all these hits, you know. Uh, TLT, I closed for 50% profit. TLT and TBT are inverse. So TLT is when you think interest rates are going to go down, and TBT is when you think they're going to go up. Just so you know. Beetle, I closed my call calendar. Good thing I didn't write. SoFi, I closed my 6 put, and Upstart, I closed my 5th. Wow, this is bad. Look at this. Now it's raining sideways. This is horrible. Wow. Chime in and tell me if I should name this thunderstorm stock market. Wow, look at this. Wow, I haven't seen this in a while. Really bad little storm. Yeah, it's Miami for you. I've been in so many hurricanes, it's not even funny. The worst one was Hurricane Andrew. If you don't know about Hurricane Andrew, look that storm up on Google. It looked like they dropped a Hiroshima bomb in Homestead. It was bad. I think that sucker had 200-mile-per-hour winds. So 11 trades in here. I try my best to find stuff. I've been trading more in the other account. Cause I like the other one better. Worst one in my stocks was Tyson Foods and Schwab. Schwab was up on the day, ended up down. What a pig. Best ones here, well, JPMorgan was up, Ether, Mara, and Nat Gas. In my options, oof, my options, the worst one was GDXJ and a call calendar sprint that I have in SCHPH. My best one was my short on the NASDAQ, JPM, TLT, IWM. I still have open Microsoft, DIA. I'm short some Softy, and there goes the rest. All right, so I can't even tell how long this video is because that thing, I got to figure out how to look at the clock there. I don't know why this control, oh, duh, Perez. Okay, 11 minutes, we got some good time. Tasty trade. All right, so positions. So these are all my open positions. These are all open here. Good green. We like to see green, but there's the red. That's not that bad. I'm okay. Today was flat, and I'm up here today on this account too. I'm having a great year so far. Keep it up. Trade small, but trade often. Those are the trademarks from these guys. I don't want no copyright infringement. Activity. ABR, I did an iron fly and ABR like at 354 at the bell. I was just looking for stuff to do. I was a little bored. Costco got hit today, and I did a call calendar to see if it bounces back. No, actually, I didn't. I'm sorry. I lied. I did a put calendar because I was looking at stock charts, and I think it's going to go lower. It cut through with some decent volume. It cut through the 200-day and 50-day. So I did a put calendar to see if we test this 480. It cost me $1.64. I mean, we're talking about a $500 stock. So IV rank is like non-existent in Costco. It's 0. So I did that for 164 and it's 7 days. I sold the 7 days. Next week 480 put, and about the week after that, 14 days out for $1.64. I did a iron fly with negative skew in Rivian. And when I say negative skew, let's go to the drawing board. So I'm not talking Martian to you. So everything correlates to delta. If you buy 100 shares of a stock, Apple, for example, or Rivian, you have 100 deltas. And in today's age, you can even buy partial. Oh, actually, you could do this in Tasty Trade. You can't do this in other brokerages. You can buy fractional shares. I don't do that, but it allows you. I read somewhere to buy fractional shares, if I'm not mistaken. Check their website for details, I guess. I feel like a representative for them. So Rivian, I went and I did an iron fly with negative skew. Now, what date did we do here? We did 21 days out. So this one right here. So what I did was I did the 13. So I did 13. So this is a trade right here. Now you see this right here, delta, where I'm moving the arrow right there, delta, -9. That means basically that I'm -9 shares short. So that's what I call skew. Now, when you trade delta neutral, a delta neutral trade would have been maybe 1350. Nope, that gave you positive 7 deltas if we would have gone 1350 strikes. But I'm a little bearish on Rivian, so I went 10 negative. Now, if you wanted to make it positive, maybe you bring in the call a little bit closer. And this right here is a delta neutral trade because you have no deltas. You have no bias. You just want it to stay in that range. And then if you do a lot of these trades, your portfolio is delta neutral to the S&P 500. So if you're delta neutral and the market goes down 500 points, no effect to you because you don't have any deltas in the portfolio. Now, if you sell a lot of options and the premiums in the VIX skyrockets, then that can affect you because volatility is a big gauge. IV, that's why we always look at IV rank. Implied volatility is the biggest component when forming your strategy in options. That's why I did a selling strategy in Rivian, and in Costco I did a buying strategy, which is a put calendar spread or a call calendar spread, which is a debit. And when you're debit, you're paying. When you're credit, you're selling. All right, so I just want to see how much time we had. Continue to go through the trades. UNH, I did a call calendar, so I did the opposite of Costco. UNH, I really know IV, and these are just trades. Obviously, the sweet spots on these trades are on the calendar spreads. You want to sell something 17, 20. Wow, it's really bad, the weather. You can hear the thunder. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah. Oh, did we lose power? I hope I don't lose power. I wonder the video's still going. The video's still going. I thought we lost power. Might have to do 2 videos. I'm not gonna lose this content. You can hear the drops. They're hitting the window like bullets. Wow. This is a great video. Thunderstorm video, huh? You guys, you let me know. So I don't even know where I was at. I'm so distracted by the storm. So yeah, UNH has negative IV rank. So the kind of the spreads you really, when you're selling options, you want to sell them at 45 days. That's a sweet spot. That's where the research says it's a decent place to be. Now, when you do calendar spreads, put or call, whatever your directional assumption is. Wow, these things are hitting like bullets. You want to do it sell 17, 21 days and buy 45 days plus. And that's how you do it. But I mean, that would have cost me a lot more money on this $500 stock. So I only got in for $1.60, and I sold the 525 call next week and bought the 525 14 days out. So that's what I did there. I did an iron fly with, did I do it with positive deltas? I don't know if they'll let me see here. You know, I'm praying that we don't lose power because I don't want to lose the content. I did it with positive delta on VFC, which they do Vans, and they're big in apparel. They're a pretty big company. Wow, power lines are moving. Look at this, guys. This is nuts. Look at this storm. Look at that. It's like a little mini hurricane. And the rain's coming in sideways. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Pretty nasty. Let me check my camera. Let me put it down. Yeah, there you go. So, we're at the 20-minute mark. I'm almost done through the activity. Pata, I did an iron fly as well with negative skew. AG, which is a minor, I did an iron fly with positive skew. Fisker, iron fly negative skew, and SPR iron fly with positive skew. That's an airline. It's like a Boeing supplier kind of guy. So I did that. It got killed. It was down like $7. Actually up 2.41% now. Still trading in the after hours. Well, I wonder what the portfolio did in the precious metals. I would assume that was down. And those are non-correlated, supposedly non-correlated assets to the stock market. Um, oh, not down much. Maybe it's not updated. It says down 0.06, $50. That's nothing, nothing. Non-irrelevant, a nothing burger. Back over here. Wow, I was able to get so far through this video. It started to calm down. Looks like it blew over, and that's how it is. I wanted to ride some bike, but um, where was I? Here. Oh, there's more. Sorry, I did a call calendar in Boeing. Did I close Carvana? I closed Carvana because it expired today and I made money. I closed XP for 50% profit. Carvana probably made less than 25%. On I just closed the straddle at 8.5. And Lucid, I so check this trade out in Lucid. This is a good trade. That's why I like these butterflies, broken wing butterflies. So what the hell? That doesn't seem right. So I did it for a debit. Doesn't seem accurate. Hmm. So I guess I lost money on this trade doing the math. Oh wow, poor FedEx guy. Yeah, I think I lost money on this trade. No bueno. 36. Too good to be true, huh? And I probably could have pinned it. I should have waited. What did Lucid close that? Lucid 773. I usually do butterflies for credits. I don't know why it's showing this. I have to go to the drawing board and see. Hmm. That's yeah, I lost money here. 13. That's why you gotta keep track of your stuff. Yeah, I lost 5 cents. I lost $5. Whatever. I had to close it because it was in the money. It closed. Yeah, it closed below 8. So that's what I did. Actually, yeah, whatever. It is what it is. This account was flat today, unfortunately. I just started trading this account. I'm trying to up the account here, but I'm up year to date. Anyways, on the news front, what do we have on the news front? I think we just had JPMorgan. We had retail sales, which I did a quick short. I did a short on Boeing's problems, production problems, and that was pretty much it. I didn't really see much news. If I see more news pop up, Best Buy lays off hundreds of store employees as shopping trends shift. I tell you something. I went to Best Buy the other day. My wife had the iPhone 6 Plus. That thing, I can't believe how old that thing is. When I looked it up, eh, let's look it up here. I wasn't shocked. She really milked that, but I'm lucky to have her. She's very conservative, not a spender. iPhone, but I mean, I have to have the new phone because I work a lot. Oh, oof, damn, 90 right there. iPhone 6 Plus uh, came out. When did iPhone? So it came out in 14. So she used this phone for almost 10 years. I went to Best Buy. Like, I want to see the phones. I go, there's nothing to see. It's either iPhone 13 or 14. That's it. There's nothing else. It's like, no, I don't want it. I want to see the phones. Like, well, all right. So I went to Best Buy, and what a disaster. I was like, babe, let's get the hell out of here. And I told her this. Thank God the AT&T was next door. I went to AT&T. I go, hey, let me see the phones, and they only have 13s and they have 13s and 14s. That's it. So I told her, hey, just get, these are the best ones. Just get the best one. And I got her the iPhone 14 Pro Max, whatever. And she got that one. Yeah. And I got myself an extra one. I got this green 13 thing. I needed to open another line for another side hustle. But anyways, look at the flooding here. Look, this is Fort Lauderdale. Look at this. This Xavier Sola. Oh wow. So yeah, this is Fort Lauderdale. This is about half an hour, not even half an hour away from me. Up north, it's really bad. It's been raining for like 3 or 4 days straight. It's ridiculous. And now we got a thunderstorm. Crazy, and you got to witness it. Anyways, hey guys, have a great weekend. Stay blessed. Work hard, study, learn your derivatives, learn your options, your futures, know how to bait away your portfolio, learn the Greeks. And if you have any questions, hit me up. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good weekend, and God bless. Bye bye.